time, flipper time, flipper tea time, flipper time, flipper time, flipper tea time. It's flipper tea time, y'all. How's everybody doing? Everybody surviving and doing good? I certainly hope so. Well, I'm at work in the office on my lunch break, and I got me some tacos. I went to pick up some Fuzzy's tacos, so that's what I'm eating today. But before we get started, let me slip into something a little more comfortable. I don't think I introduced myself. This is your girl Flipper T. That's me. And this is Taco Wednesday. We got past Taco Tuesday. I worked from home yesterday, so I didn't get no tacos for Tuesday. So I got my butt burning sauce. And y'all know I got my Frank's Red Hot. How about I made some chili last week, y'all, in my crock pot? I like to cook in my crock pot. I be cutting up. Slow cooker, crock pot, whatever it's called. So I made chili last week. And I got me a little bit and took it to work. And so I figure I have it for dinner. I keep hot sauce in my drawer at work. This is my empty bottle. I got a little bit left in the corner. I'm going to use it and throw it away. So how about I get home from work, got my bottle all fixed to eat my chili. And I fixed my chili. I like cheese on my chili. I fixed my chili. And I looked for the hot sauce. And can't find it. Now I got a bigger bottle at home. A regular size bottle. I get to looking for the hot sauce and can't find it. So, my daughter was at work, my son was at home, but he really haven't been eating chili and stuff like that. So anyway, I called my daughter. I was like, that's pretty effed up. I left her a message. I said, that's pretty effed up. You took the hot sauce to work. I made the chili because I wanted it. Everybody know I put Frank's Red Hot sauce on my chili or anything else I eat. So why y'all think she made her some chili? Took my whole bottle of hot sauce to work. She could have put some hot sauce in something. In a Ziploc bag, if nothing else. She took my whole bottle. So y'all know my chili wasn't right. That messed me up. She took my hot sauce to work. I don't mind sharing, but damn, I didn't even take it to work. I keep one in my desk drawer at work and my kitchen cabinet at home. Frank's Red Hot. I do put that shit on everything. So what's going on, flippers and flippers? Anything good besides to talk about the coronavirus? I want to think about something a little happier, more positive. Did I show y'all these tacos? You can have a bite if you want to make a mess. Go ahead, take your little bite. Leave me some. Dang, this one's falling apart. These are so good. That Fuzzy, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Wuzzy, Wuzzy Wuzzy. I don't think I'm supposed to be touching my face, do I? Superb. Wish I could think of something funny to talk about. I need a ghostwriter. I need somebody to help me write a book. Who can help me with that? I have so many story ideas in this head, but I'm not good at putting pen to paper. I can come up with the stories though. I got a story idea from something I seen on Facebook. Facebook. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. What do LLiPS say? They say, comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. They say, comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. I need y'all to comment, like, and share. Comment, back me up. Comment, like, and share. I need y'all to comment, like, and share. Like LLiPS said. Comment. They stuffed the hell out of these taco shells. They said they gotta do something with that meat. They gotta do something with that meat instead of throwing it out. I was their only customer, but then a lady came in for a pickup order. I was trying to see what time it was. Ooh, wait. There's some good tacos. I'm down to my last taco. I need some more hot sauce. Yeah, but I think they stuffed them. Maybe they were trying to get rid of their meat. Who knows? I don't care. Comment, like and share. Comment, like and share. Oh no, I know what LLiPS say. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute, y'all. Comment, like and share. Comment, like and share. Comment, like and share. Comment, like and share. Comment, Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute, y'all. Comment. Comment, like, and share. So delicious. I think I gotta get back to work. So flippers and flipettes, I will flipping talk to you later. Flip on, flip out.